In this video, we'll introduce you to all the ways you can create an online presence, from websites and social media to local business listings and review sites. Here's the owner of small business, Rachel's Kitchen, to tell us a bit about how she found the process.
When I first started the business, the whole business plan hinged on an e-commerce business. I was launching a national cupcake delivery company, therefore it was intuitive to me that the way that you sell that is online. I find the whole way of engaging with customers with social media together with your online presence fascinating, and it's interesting watching that whole process evolve.
These days, you'd probably agree it's pretty important to be online. The most obvious way to go digital is with a website. Early websites weren't much more than online brochures that describe the who, the what, and the where. Today's websites can do much more. Your site can help people do research, chat with experts, read customer reviews, watch videos, buy things, and even track orders. But it's possible to do business online without a website. Let's say, for example, you owned a bakery, and you want your customers to be able to find you, website or not. Now, think about the last time you had a craving for carrot cake. You probably went online and searched for something like bakery near me, just to see what's out there. Now, you might see a website for a local bakery, or you might discover a good option in the local listings. Some businesses use local listings to create a digital presence, using products like Google My Business and Bing Places for Business. These type of directories let businesses publish details like descriptions, reviews, maps, and images. Now, these listings are usually free, and they're a good way to help businesses appear on results pages when people are actually searching. Beyond local listings, there may be review sites for your specific type of business where people can leave feedback and you can respond. Great reviews will give you the edge over the competition. You can also use social media as your digital presence. People all over the world use Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus pages to complement and even in some cases replace a website. Another way you can reach your customers online is through their mobile. You've probably downloaded apps or games to your mobile phone, right? Well, now you can actually create and offer these apps to your customers yourself. Apps can take an advantage of the mobile phone's unique capabilities like GPS, mapping, and phone to actually connect with customers. If a customer installs your app on her mobile the next time she's near your shop, the app might actually send her a special offer, all thanks to GPS. Apps could even let her place an order right there and then, so when she comes in, she can skip the queue, pick up her order, and pay by tapping her mobile against the till. Mobile apps are often used as loyalty tools to encourage existing, frequent customers to come back, maybe get a free coffee with that carrot cake. Okay, just a little reminder. Whether you use a website, local business listings, social media, mobile apps, or all of the above, the trick is to decide what you want your customers to do, then create a home that accomplishes these goals. Together, these things work as your digital storefront, your space to interact with your customers online. We've got lessons covering all of these areas, but for the next little while, we'll be focusing on websites. You'll learn the basics like how websites work, how to pick and register a proper domain name, and how to make whatever you decide to do online as friendly as possible to your digital visitors, and support the goals of your business. Now, we've got lots more to come, so stick with us.